Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 13 of this Advent Calendar, Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. So together with Mel and Katarina, we've got this little collaboration where we're sharing daily the envelopes from this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. So day 13, halfway through, so let's see what's inside this one. So I'm really curious. So again, a really light pale or dusty pink color of this envelope or wallet, and inside let me show you who is the designer. So we've got a product by Creative Craft Products, and inside we've got some cardstock. So we've got this pink, another pink, got mint green, two of them, and it looks like we've got another two in this yellow color. So, and these are, I think these are 4x6 or maybe smaller. Let's check. 4 1/4 by almost 6, 5 3/4. So I think another 4x6 card maybe. So let me, as always, prepare some elements and I will be back with another tutorial. So as you can see, I've got all the elements ready because in my recent videos everything was a bit longer, so I decided to prepare as much as I can and put this card together. So my card base measures 4.5 inches square, and I'm going to do the top fold this time. I love those kind of cards. So the first layer is going to be from that card, from this wallet from today, and I already cut out a circle because I need another mat under that sentiment. So that's what I do sometimes, and probably you've seen me doing that a few times already. And then I'm going to add that pattern paper, that beautiful one with flowers, and that one comes from that paper pad I already used with this advent calendar, and I really like it, so I continue using that paper part, and hopefully I will finish it soon because I had it for some time, and yeah, I like it a lot. So that's the paper part is this one, the Papercraft Discovery, and I just love, and those flowers are matching exactly with that paper, so I thought this is perfect paper to go with this card. So of course for now everything adhering flat without any foam pads. I think I'm going to only raise that sentiment because I think that's the most important thing. This is just the background. So I've got this doily. The doily comes from this Grande Circle by Crafter's Companion. The sentiment, cherish every moment, comes from Positive Thoughts by Crafter's Companion as well. And I've got this beautiful bow. Look at that embossing on it. I think it's really nice, and it comes from this Frosty and Bright collection by Crafter's Companion, and it's this one. So let me put this one together, and it's going to be very simple product, so I hope you will like it as well. No fancy for today, it's just clean and simple, and I'm going to keep it for someone special. It's nice to have some cards handy just in case, because you never know. Especially I've got two girls, and they sometimes ask me, "Mommy, can I have a birthday card? Because my friend, she has a birthday today and I need it urgently." So yeah, it's good to have something, or something to cheer someone up. So this one will be just there, waiting for a special occasion. So I hope you're enjoying this this series of unboxing and tutorials we are creating for you together with Katarina and Mel. Mel, I think she's going to be creating some tutorials or project shares very soon, so remember to check her out as well. And of course there is so much inspiration on Facebook groups, and I really like seeing everyone's projects, so that's really nice as well. What I did, I added the glue only in the center of that ball, and now I'm lifting the sides a little bit. Once the glue will dry, I will shape it even more, but I think, as you can see, it's very cute. And I'm going to put one of those gems in the center, and I think that a little bit of sparkle would give it even more nicer look. So you see, that was very quick. And once that will dry, I will just leave those sides. So this is day number 13 with Creative Craft products cardstock. Lovely 3 colors: mint, green, pink, and this yellow orange color. And I hope I will be able to use them in my in next videos as well, next projects, because we still have got few wallets to open. So yes, I hope you like this one. Let me know what do you think about it. I'm looking forward to see the crafters creating something with those papers. And yeah, thank you so much for writing all the comments, for all the likes, for new subscriptions, because I got quite a few new subscribers on my channel, which is always so nice, and I'm really so grateful, and I appreciate every single one of you, so thank you for that. So this is what I created for you today. I know it's very simple, and I know that's everyone can do it. I hope you're going to come back tomorrow at 7 a.m. to check out my day number 14. So see you tomorrow.